The Hotto Pro electric pump is compact but fast and powerful. It inflates a car tire from 0 to 2.3 atmospheres in just 5 minutes, and one charge is enough to fill 15 tires in a row. The Hotto Pro is priced at $70. The 70 May A810 4K dash cam installs in just 5 minutes, but delivers lasting value. With dual cameras, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, and an AI-powered motion sensor, it captures every detail day or night. Reliable, smart, and easy to use. The price is $140. These LED flares are especially useful in emergencies, like marking a broken-down vehicle on a dark road. Each flare lasts up to 18 hours on a full charge. A set of 3 costs just $20. The Kika Jet Fan Max is a versatile 2-in-1 tool that works as both a vacuum and a blower. Priced at $200, it blasts air at up to 92 meters per second, perfect for cleaning every corner of your car, inside and out. Lightweight and easy to use with one hand. The She-Wagon Overland Kitchen is a compact box-style setup that unfolds into a full cooking station. It includes a sink, counter space, and handy extras like a napkin holder. When unfolded, it extends from 65 to 176 centimeters. The price is $379. The Wi-Fi system inflates all 4 car tires in just 9 minutes and can also deflate them for off-road terrain. It's a smart choice if you often switch from smooth pavement to rough dirt roads and don't have time to deal with a regular pump or compressor. The system priced at just $324. Is your car heating up under the sun, turning the interior into an oven? This fan can help. It has 3 speed settings and operates quietly at just 40 decibels. The fan costs $25. The Vivor Mechanic Creeper is a stool that transforms into a wheeled creeper. Its clever design supports up to 136 kilograms and includes a thick padded headrest. The Creeper is priced at $39.
Creeper.
Do you often park your car under the blazing sun? Take a look at this Enmo Sun Shade. It's so effective that it can lower the interior temperature by 10 degrees. No batteries or wires required. Just set it on the windshield and go about your day. It's a simple, effective way to keep your car cool. Price $40. This safe cleverly disguises itself as a headrest. Very smart and convenient, especially since it offers 3 access options: key, code, and fingerprint. Made from steel, it's sturdy enough for the makers to recommend storing even firearms inside. Costs just $143. Philips has designed an affordable and efficient in-car air purifier that protects drivers and passengers. It removes viruses, bacteria, dust, smoke, pollen, chemicals released by plastics, and other pollutants while also eliminating unpleasant odor inside the cabin. Thanks to the 4-meter power cord, you can easily place the purifier anywhere inside the car. This purifier is priced at $88. Car Lock is an anti-theft GPS tracker loaded with smart features. First, it reacts not only to vehicle movement, but also to engine starts and unusual vibrations. Second, it detects maneuvers typical of racing or stunt attempts. Third, it monitors the battery's condition and sends alerts when the charge is low. Paired with an easy-to-use mobile app, Car Lock keeps you connected and your vehicle secure at all times. The price is $44. These trays are designed to help Tesla Model Y owners finally bring order to their cabins. No more flip-flops, bottles, or umbrellas sliding around. Everything stays neatly in place. A pair of trays costs $50. The HUD P6 keeps your focus on the road by projecting speed, RPM, and more right in front of you. No need to glance at the dashboard. It works in both OBD and GPS modes, automatically adjusts brightness for day or night, and even warns you in red when you go over the speed limit. It's a simple but smart upgrade for safer driving, priced at $38. The Tula Snowpack is a sleek aerodynamic roof rack built for winter adventures. It holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards and can be opened easily, even while wearing gloves. The Tula Snowpack is priced at $378. AeroGogo surprised Tesla Model Y owners with this inflatable mattress. It fits 2 people, supports up to 300 kilograms. It inflates in just 120 seconds with a built-in pump and deflates in 90 seconds. The price is $239. Both hobbyists and pros will appreciate these Garvey ramps, each handling up to 4 tons. Equipped with hydraulic jacks, they can lift a car up to 33 centimeters for easy access. A pair of ramps sells for $400. The compact Pomo shower will appeal to many outdoor enthusiasts, requiring no electricity. It delivers around 3 atmospheres of pressure, enough to rinse off after the beach or even wash a boat. The price is $55.